What's up, guys? So today we're going to be putting a kill switch on a Predator 212, you know, because when you got a thing this fast, you got to be able to stop it pretty quick. It's pretty simple. All you're going to do is you're going to get these wires right here. This is your oil sensor. You got this yellow wire and this black wire. This black wire, it's got two wires coming from it. You want to unplug this from right here, okay? And then you're going to take your kill switch, and your kill switch is going to have a ground. Right here's your ground, and this is your wire. It's going to go right into here. Once you got that nice and snug, you're going to want to remove this bolt right here. I've already loosened it, but you might need to get a wrench to that. But you're just going to unscrew this. Take the ground, stick it right here. And then hook that back up. Tighten this down. And then you'll be left with this wire right here. You can just tuck this away. You can cut it if you really wanted to. So you don't really need that oil sensor. And then yeah, so now you get your kill switch wired in. You just want to mount it and you'll be good to go. Yeah, and here's the kill switch that we use. You can get it off Amazon. They're pretty cheap. Just look for one that's got decent reviews and you'll be good to go. All right, so now that we got this kill switch wired up, we just need to mount it onto the handlebars, wherever you want to put that. It's up to you. I'm gonna put it right here, and it's just as simple as just putting it right there and screwing it in. I know this is a Phillips, so I'm using a flathead. That's all I got right now. All right, let's test it out. Switch that to run. Here's something. And there you have it. It works.